Lucy.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
So what do you want to draw for today?
Maybe some kind of weapon of some sort?
What kind of weapon?
I have a really good idea. Maybe we can draw a sword.
We never draw a sword, so how about we trying to do today?
Yeah, let's try, guys.
You ready?
Let's begin.
Okay, first of all, draw a straight line in the middle of the paper. Of course, if you want, you could use a ruler. You want to use a ruler?
Yes.
Okay.
Please.
The straight line in the middle. Right here. And draw a pointed shape on the top, like here. Pointed shape, right? Okay, and then we draw the two lines here. You could see, and the top is a larger, right? So we draw a larger distance at the top, and a smaller distance at the bottom. Okay, so here. See the top larger, the bottom is smaller. Next, add a line and follow the same. It makes the sword looks more 3D, like here. Follow the shape, like here. Like here. Here, put a little bit horizontal light like here. Okay. Then we draw a rectangle below from here until here. Okay. Not too hard, because we have to erase it, make a different shape. Just slow down. Okay. And then we draw two opposite triangle on the both sides. Like here's the one. Look, opposite triangle like this one. Okay. And here is another one. This. Actually, we just want the shape like this, okay? So now we use the razor to try to clean up this part. Clean up this part. So now the shape left. This shape is what we want. Okay. Nice. Okay, so the same. We follow the shape here. And here, follow the shape. Make the short. It's more 3D, right? Here. Here. Okay. And now we draw the circle in the middle, like here. You could draw a little bit bigger over the line. Here. In the middle, we draw another circle. So you could put a gemstone inside, right? And on both sides we could add circle. Now we draw the grip of the sword. And it has 4 letters. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the last part we draw the pommel of the sword. So the pommel just like 2 circle, okay? 2 half circle. Here 1. And the last one I could the shape a little different. Here tiny bit like this, but not very pointy. Okay. And now we draw the inside of the sword. So here like a half circle. Okay. And here with a straight line. Okay. So now we're starting to use marker.
Let's begin, guys.
We are done.
Yeah, guys, it's so cool. It looks like it's from a video game.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like that.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time.
See you.